The seller sent me this case to review, and I'm very happy with it. It is a little flexible, but not too bad, but it's clear. Wow, it's got some thumbprints already. I'm gonna have to wipe this down real quick. So this works with your iPad mini. This is the newest iteration of the iPad mini. And what I really like about it is it's super low profile. It shows off the great finish of your iPad. I got the Starlight color. I can't remember what the colorway is. It's like the pinkish purple. I love this color. I love this color. It goes with not much of my other things, but they don't have the black in the iPad minis yet. So yeah, so it's a very nicely designed product. You can see that it fits over the lock and thumbprint sensor. It's got slots for these speakers. It's got space for the volume. The volume buttons are kind of molded into the plastic, so that it's not exposed. The charging port is open. Both of these speaker ports, one of these is a microphone, I don't know which it is, but it's you can see that there's holes. It's got holes. It's not just like an open slot. So, and again, it's so low profile. Now it does have this opening on the side here, and this is where you're going to put your Magic Pen, your iPad pen, and it magnetizes right. I don't have one. I'll get one eventually, but fantastic product, very well designed. It's got these oversized corners so that you can set it flat and it doesn't actually touch the screen. See how it's kind of over molded a little bit, but it's super low profile otherwise. Great product. Very happy with it. Clear, shows off the finish. Thanks again for the seller to send me this. I'm going to be making use of this all the time.